While many people say that inflation has risen very much and earning is more difficult now than it ever was, I certainly disagree with them. While the inflation part is true, the other part, not so much. In this digital age of the internet and smart devices, earning money has been made very easy. And that too, I'm talking about earning very decent money. Up to thousands of dollars per day is very much achievable. With methods like online selling, social media, and drop shipping, many millionaires have emerged over the last few years as technology has been on the rise. Well, guess what? You can be the next millionaire too. Today, I have brought a method for you that will help you make up to $1,000 just by sitting at home. No work experience is needed for this job, and you don't even need to learn about anything technical. All you need is a device, like a phone or a computer, and an internet connection, and the method will work. You can do this from anywhere around the world and don't even have to worry about receiving your earnings, as you will get them regardless of whichever country you live in. So, hold on tight and watch the whole video very closely to learn what I am about to teach you next. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos we plan to post. First of all, you have to visit the site of this company called Proof. Just type in your Google search bar, use Proof, and click the first link that appears. This will take you to the homepage of the site. If you work with this site, they can offer you very good money. And for their credibility, you can see that they have worked with many big names like Oprah and Deepak and AppQs, among many more. This company actually sells products online, and how we can work with them is by helping them in boosting their sales. For each sale you manage to get for the company, you will get paid your commission, which can be close to even 30% sometimes. 30% of the total price of the product. Isn't that sweet? And for doing that, you don't need any fancy computers. You don't have to spend countless hours and certainly don't need any experience either. The trick I'm gonna show you is so easy that even a child can do it. You just need to follow 3 simple steps. Number 1. Join the site, which is absolutely free, by the way, and has no hidden costs. This will generate the link you would need in the next step. Number 2. Share the link you have obtained from the first step as much as you can and try to reach thousands of people if possible. Number 3. Get rewarded for your work. Now, I'm gonna walk you through all of these steps and explain each one of them fairly in detail so that all of your possible questions get addressed. To join the site, you would have to create a free account first. Now, this is a very tricky part, and most people don't know how to get it right. I want you to watch very closely so you know how exactly you have to sign up. Go to the homepage of the site and scroll down to the very bottom. There, you can see its partners. This will help us get information about the site. Now, go to your Google search bar and type in proof.partnerstack.com. This link will redirect you to a site where you will see all the necessary FAQs and how the site works with its users. You can read that if you want and then go down. You will see a Join Now at the very end of the page. Click that and it will take you to the sign up page. This is the true sign up page where you would be required to enter your details. You have to enter everything like I'm gonna show you. Enter your first and last name. For email, give your primary and the most active one, as they will send you a verification email first. If you don't verify it, your account will not be registered. For the question related to identifying yourself, pick an affiliate marketer, as this is the work this site requires and we are gonna do just that. Selecting this option will tell the site that you are already an affiliate marketer, and this will leave a good and professional impression of you. For whether you have ever used Proof before, you can select either yes or no. It doesn't matter much. Then, they will ask you for some links of platforms where you would share their products. Enter your Facebook or any other social media account link in the box. The next question is, how do you plan to market Proof? You can type in any strategy you can think of, like promoting it on social media or things of that sort. For providing your LinkedIn, enter your account's URL, or if you don't have one already, don't worry. Head over to linkedin.com and make an account immediately. It is completely free, and the process is very easy. It only requires you to enter some of your personal details. You can even log into LinkedIn using your Google or Facebook accounts. Log in and enter the link back into the box given for answering the question. And the last question is, why do you want to promote Proof? Enter any valid reason, like you need to make money by doing this. Click Next and you're done. With that out of the way, the next step is to find some sites that will buy the products from proof.com. Search for anything online that you think you can manage to sell. Let's say you think that you can sell cooking courses from proof.com directly to the buyers. go to your search bar and type in online cooking courses. Now, the results that will show up first and at the very start are the top sites, and they will hardly be interested in buying from you. Go to the bottom and select the next page. Once you are at about 5 or 6 pages in, you will start to see the smaller businesses. These are your potential clients. For this example of cooking, let's say we want to sell to this site called ICS Learn. This site offers courses, including the one related to cooking. You have to find the owner of the site and talk with them directly to recommend them the courses at proof.com. You can find the information or the contact of the owner usually at the very end of the homepage of most of the sites. It will be under the Contact Us heading. Some sites offer a separate Contact Us page too. Once you manage to get your hands on the email of the owner, mail them your affiliate link and tell them why they should buy from you. If they like your message or are interested in it, they will click the link, and this will take them to proof.com, and the course will be shown to them. If a free trial is available, they may take that. If they like the course, they will surely buy it, and as soon as they pay for it, you'll get paid at the very same time too. You know the whole process now. What you have to do to increase your income exponentially is to find a large number of offered courses on proof.com and then contact multiple sites through email. If you contact 10 people, chances are at least 2 or 3 of those 10 buy the course, making you hundreds of dollars in commissions. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you have understood whatever I've taught you in this video. Now, you can also start making money by directly selling courses at promo to the owners of other sites, taking your cut from each deal struck. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!